Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly enable and use the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube on your iPhone and iPad. Watching videos while multitasking has become a must-have feature, and that's where the super handy picture-in-picture mode occurs. PIP mode comes into play. If you use YouTube on your iPhone or iPad, PIP lets you keep your video playing in a small floating window while you browse other apps, reply messages, or check emails. So whether you are learning something new or enjoying your favorite content, enabling this super handy feature can significantly improve your overall viewing experience. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, choose the general option. Then you have to select picture in picture mode option. And then you have to enable the toggle located right next to start PIP automatically. After that, you have to launch the YouTube app. And then you have to hit the profile tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to head over to video and audio preferences section and choose the playback option. And then we have to enable the toggle located right next to picture in picture, and you're all set. Now play any video as usual. Once the video has started playing, exit the YouTube app. Now your video will continue to play in a multiplayer on top of other apps. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now that you've unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives in order to spice up your video time. And I'll catch you up in the next one.